Number 1. Recognize that buying a product or brand won't solve big life problems. It's crucial to understand that material possessions often fall short in addressing deeper issues. While companies may present their products as solutions, it's rarely that simple. That new kitchen appliance or skincare product might provide temporary relief, but genuine problem solving requires more profound considerations. It's a mindset shift, acknowledging that purchases won't inherently lead to life-changing solutions. By internalizing this perspective, you can safeguard yourself from falling prey to marketing schemes and make more conscious spending decisions. Number 2. Beware of sales and discounts. The allure of discounts can be powerful, but it's essential to evaluate whether the purchase aligns with immediate needs. Testing the urgency by asking, "Would I use it right away?" acts as a litmus test. If the answer is no, the discounted item might end up unused, nullifying any potential savings. This approach ensures that discounts contribute to meaningful savings rather than accumulating unnecessary items. Number 3. Shop first from your home. Before heading to the store, explore your existing possessions. This not only saves money, but also promotes sustainability. Additionally, before grocery shopping, check your pantry and fridge. Creatively using what's available can delay the need for a grocery run, providing a double benefit of saving money and reducing clutter. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and let us know you're ready for more frugal content by commenting "I am frugal." Number 4. Borrow items from others before deciding to purchase them. Leverage your social network to borrow items like kitchen appliances. Friends or family may have seldom used items you can borrow temporarily. This not only saves money, but also prevents potential regrets from buying something that doesn't meet your expectations. In some cases, if the lender isn't using the item frequently, they might even allow you to keep it if you find it beneficial, creating a win-win situation. Number 5. Look up Reddit reviews to get unbiased opinions on products. In the plethora of online reviews, it's challenging to discern authenticity. Turning to Reddit can provide a platform for genuine user experiences. By searching for a product's name followed by Reddit reviews, you may uncover valuable insights. This step goes beyond relying solely on curated reviews on company websites or popular retail platforms. Seeking out user opinions on Reddit, especially in recent posts, can offer a more realistic perspective, helping you make informed decisions and avoid falling for hype or marketing tactics. Number 6. Unfollow or mute accounts continuously pushing products. Social media can be a breeding ground for impulsive spending triggered by influencers or accounts promoting various products. Take control of your online environment by unfollowing or muting accounts that predominantly focus on product endorsements. Recognize the subtle influence of continuous product promotions on your spending habits. By creating your online feed to minimize such content, you can resist the pressure to make unnecessary purchases and foster a more mindful approach to consumption. Number 7. Perform a cost-benefit analysis before making purchases. Engaging in a thoughtful evaluation of the costs and benefits of a purchase can prevent impulsive decisions. Consider the long-term value of an item and whether it aligns with your financial goals. For example, if saving for a home is a priority, delaying non-essential purchases can contribute significantly to your savings over time. Taking a moment to assess the necessity and impact of a purchase allows you to prioritize what truly matters, mitigating the risk of accumulating unnecessary expenses. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. So we have a special surprise for you, which is the Millionaire Mindset ebook, Your Key to Wealth Creation. Grab your free copy by clicking the link below. Number 8. Return items if they don't meet your expectations or needs. Many products come with return policies, providing an opportunity to rectify impulsive purchases. Embrace a more ruthless approach to returns, ensuring that every item you keep genuinely adds value to your life. Whether dissatisfied with the product or realizing it was an impulse buy, timely returns contribute to reducing overall spending. This approach underscores the importance of being discerning and proactive, preventing unused or unwanted items from becoming a financial burden. Number 9. Cycle subscriptions to minimize monthly expenses. In a world of subscription services, adopting a cyclical approach can help manage costs effectively. Rather than maintaining multiple subscriptions concurrently, consider subscribing to 1 or 2 services at a time. This allows you to enjoy various content or services without the financial strain of numerous recurring expenses. Implementing a subscription rotation system ensures that you maximize the utility of each service, while keeping overall monthly cost in check. Number 10. Consider alternatives for subscriptions like meal delivery kits. While meal delivery kits offer convenience, the costs can add up. A frugal alternative involves replicating these meals by accessing the recipes provided by such services. By sourcing the ingredients locally and following the recipes, you can enjoy similar culinary experiences without the subscription fees. This approach not only saves money, but also provides an opportunity to explore local markets and customize meals to your preferences. It's a practical way to embrace frugality without sacrificing the quality of your dining experiences. Number 11. Bulk up meals with cheaper ingredients to make them more filling. Stretching your meals by incorporating affordable ingredients, like brown rice, can enhance nutritional value. This practice applies whether you're preparing home-cooked meals or evaluating restaurant or frozen options. By strategically adding inexpensive but nutritious elements, you optimize your spending on food. This approach aligns with the mindset of making intentional choices that contribute to both financial well-being and overall health. Number 12. Evaluate the necessity of having multiple cars. The financial benefits of reducing the number of cars extend beyond fuel and maintenance costs. In today's context, with remote work becoming prevalent, the need for multiple vehicles may diminish. Assess your transportation needs and explore the potential advantages of downsizing to a single car, contributing to substantial long-term savings. Number 13. Explore travel hacking with credit cards to maximize free travel benefits. Travel expenses can be a significant budgetary concern, but strategic use of credit cards can unlock substantial savings. Engaging in travel hacking involves leveraging credit card rewards and bonuses to offset or entirely cover travel costs. Responsible management is essential to prevent debt accumulation. By strategically earning and redeeming points, you can enjoy meaningful travel experiences without the hefty price tag. This approach requires research and planning, but can yield substantial financial gains for those who navigate the world of credit card rewards effectively. Number 14. Fostering pets can be a cost-effective way to enjoy their company without long-term commitments. Embracing a pet-friendly lifestyle doesn't necessarily require permanent ownership. Fostering pets offers a rewarding and cost-effective way to experience companionship without the long-term financial and time commitments. Many animal shelters rely on fosters to provide temporary care for animals awaiting adoption. Fostering not only helps these animals, but also allows individuals to gauge their compatibility with pet ownership. Additionally, expenses related to fostering, such as food and pet care, are often covered by the shelter, making it a financially prudent choice for those considering pet companionship. There you have it, 14 financial hacks and mindset shifts to spend less and save more. Do you want to know the best and smartest frugal living tips from the Frugal Grandma? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.